With these important notes, let's get into the today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Now we are going to solve some questions which are based on the formula small friend addition of 1 plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4. First question, 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 5. Next question, 4 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 minus 5. Answer is 0. Next question, 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 5. Next question, 4 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 4. Answer is 9. Next question, 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 5. Next question, 5 plus 4 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 5. Next question, 4 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 2. Answer is 7. Next question, 9 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 5. Next question, 4 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Answer is 8. Next question, 2 plus 7 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 5. Next question, 14 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 4. Answer is 19. Next question, 24 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Answer is 28. Next question, 22 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 25. Next question, 44 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 2. Answer is 47. Next question, 59 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 55. Next question, 74 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 4. Answer is 79. Next question, 29 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 25. Next question, 34 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 1. Answer is 36. Next question, 69 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 65. Last question, 24 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 4. Answer is 29. If my content is adding any value to your skill, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.